Students, in differential equation, in last video we have to see the how to solve ordinary differential equations by taking variable separable form, and also today we have to solve some another type example in exercise number 6.3 question number 4. Reduce each of the following differential equation to the variable separable form, hence solve. First example is dy by dx is equal to cos of x plus y. Observe that this equation does not convert to the variable separable form. Therefore, here we have to substitute for x plus y as u. Let x plus y is equal to u. Differentiate with respect to x. We get derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx. Therefore, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 1. Here dy by dx is du by dx minus 1 and x plus y equal to u. Substitute these values in this equation. We get du by dx minus 1 is equal to cos of u. Therefore, du by dx is equal to cos u plus 1. Therefore, we get 1 upon 1 plus cos u du is equal to dx, and observe that the coefficient of du is the only function of u, and here the coefficient of dx is 1, which is the constant. Therefore, it is variable separable form. It is ds form. Then integrate. We get integration of 1 upon 1 plus cos u du is equal to integration of dx plus integration constant c. You know the formula for 1 plus cos u, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and use this formula in this term. We get integration of 1 upon 2 times cos square. Here angle is the u and its half angle is u upon 2 du is equal to integration of dx plus integration constant c. Take 1 half is, which is the constant outside the integration, and 1 upon cos square is sec square. U upon 2 du is equal to integration of dx plus integration constant c. We know the integration of sec square x is tan x. Therefore, integration of sec square u upon 2 is 1 half tan u upon 2, and divide the coefficient of u is 1 half to the whole term plus is equal to integration of dx is x plus integration constant c. Here 1 half gets cancelled. We get tan of u upon 2 is equal to x plus c. But value of the u is x plus y. Substitute this value. We get the solution tan of x plus y upon 2 is equal to x plus c. This is the solution of differential equation dy by dx is equal to cos of x plus y. Now to see the second example, x plus y divided by dx is equal to sec x square plus y square. Here the angle of sec is x square plus y square. For this, substitute as u. Let x square plus y square is equal to u. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of derivative of with respect to x is du by dx. Take common 2, we get 2 into x plus y dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Therefore, x plus y dy by dx is equal to 1/2 du by dx. Here, see, observe the example. X plus y dy by dx is 1/2 du by dx and x square plus y square as you substitute these values in given example. We get, therefore, x plus y dy by dx is 1/2 du by dx is equal to sec u. Therefore, we get du by dx is equal to 2 sec u. Variable separable, this is the differential equation and variables are u and x. It can be variable separable. We get du upon sec u is equal to 2 dx, and this is the variable separable form. It is variable separable form, PS form. Then integrate, we get integration of 1 upon sec u du is equal to integration of 2 dx plus integration constant 2. 1 upon sec u means cos u du is equal to 2 is the constant, take outside the integration of dx plus c. We know the integration of cos is sin u. Sin u is equal to 2 into integration of 1 is x, 2x plus c. Substitute the value of u. What is the value of u? X square plus y square is equal to 2x plus c. Therefore, the solution of the differential equation x plus y dy by dx is equal to sec x square plus y square is sin x square plus y square equal to 2x plus c. Third example is 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx minus x minus y plus 1 dy equal to 0. And here we have to find the particular solution when x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. First, we have to write the value of dy by dx as, see, given 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx is equal to x minus y plus 1 dy. Therefore, we get 2x, take 2 common, we get 2 into bracket x minus y plus 3 upon x minus y plus 1 is equal to dy by dx. And observe that both the numerator and denominator contains the term x minus y, and put for this as u, let x minus y equal to u. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of x is 1 minus dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Therefore, we get 1 minus du by dx is equal to dy by dx. Here, put for the dy by dx as 1 minus du by dx, and here x minus y for u. We get, therefore, right here, in bracket 2 into u plus 3 upon u plus 1 is equal to 1 minus du by dx. Again simplify this, we get du by dx is equal to 1 minus 2u plus 3 upon u plus 1. Take cross multiplication here, we get u plus 1 minus 2u minus 3 upon u plus 1, that is equal to minus 2u is minus u, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 upon u plus 1, that is equal to minus in bracket u plus 2 upon u plus 1. This is the value of du by dx. Again variable separable it, we get u plus 1 upon u plus 2 du is equal to minus dx. And observe, this is the variable separable form, it is Vs form. Then integrate, we get integration of u plus 1 upon u plus 2 du is equal to integration, take minus sign outside the integration, dx plus integration constant c. Here this function can be arranged, the numerator can be arranged in type of denominator. We get this, take as u plus 2, take add 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon u plus 2 du is equal to minus dx plus integration constant c. Here minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 and divide u plus 2 separately, we get integration of 1 minus 1 upon u plus 2 du is equal to integration of minus dx plus, minus outside the integration, dx plus c. Therefore, integration of 1 with respect to u is u minus integration of 1 upon u plus 2. U plus 2 is the linear term, therefore its integration is log mod of u plus 2 equal to minus x plus c. Therefore, substitute the value of u. Value of u is the x minus y. Substitute this value, we get x minus y minus log of mod of x minus y plus 2. Take minus x in left hand side, we get plus x equal to integration constant c. X plus x is 2x. Therefore, we get 2x minus y minus log mod of x minus y plus 2 equal to c. This is, suppose this equation as a 1, and this is the general solution of given differential equation. Next, we have to find the particular solution, and for this put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. We get 2 into 0 minus 1 minus log mod of 0 minus 1 plus 2 equal to c. Therefore, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 minus log mod of 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2, 1 log of 1 equal to c. But log of 1 is 0, therefore we get c equal to minus 1 since log of 1 equal to 0. And substitute this value of c in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, we get 2x minus y minus log mod of x minus y plus 2 is equal to minus 1. This is the particular solution, that is the solution of the differential equation when x equal to 0 and y equal to 1.